It's easy to get caught up in ourselves this time of year, but at WeTrade HQ, we're going to be starting a Christmas tradition. We understand that we're able to celebrate with our families because of the sacrifices of a few good men and women. So we wanted to ensure they weren't forgotten this year. On Christmas morning, co-founder Brad Smith went out and provided breakfast for his local police and fire department to let them know they weren't forgotten about. A wise man once wrote, and I'll paraphrase, "Christmas isn't about the tags, it isn't about the packages, boxes, or bags. No, Christmas doesn't come from a store, it in fact means a little bit more." Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from our WeTrade HQ family to yours.
Hey, thank you guys. You know, you're the reason we get to celebrate Christmas out with our families, and we appreciate you being here, making sure we're all staying safe. So
I appreciate that.
thank you guys. Have a good one.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.